Hello guys, welcome back to the Simple Snip Code. My name is Rahul. In this video we'll learn print function or write your first program in Python. So print function used to print a specified message on the screen or other standard output device. Here message can be string or any other object. The object will be converted into the string before return to the screen. Here we print a hello world program. So first save the file with extension.py. So go to the file, click on new and save as with hello world. I'm saving as hello.py. So here I'm print a hello world program in the output screen. We can write hello world in the double quotes or single quotes. So here I'm writing in the double quotes. Now I am save and run the file. To save and run the file, the shortcut key is for save is Ctrl plus S, and for run the file the shortcut key is Ctrl plus B. Now I am save and run the file. So I am clicking on Ctrl S and Ctrl B. So it will give me the output as hello world. Now I am same print the hello world, but I am printing the hello world in the single quotes. So I am written in the hello world in the single quotes. Now I'm save and run the file. So click on Ctrl S and Ctrl B. So it will give me the output as hello world for first and hello world for second line. So in the Sublime text editor we have internal interpreter to run the Python file, but when we go for interview, the interviewer system, they do not have any ID like Sublime, Visual Studio, PyCharm and etc. They will open any editor like Notepad and you have to write your code in Notepad and execute your code in command prompt. So here I am run this code into the command prompt. So just type command prompt into the Windows search bar and open it. And go to the directory where we have saved the file. I am going in the directory. So just type cd and go to the desktop and click on cd Python. In this folder, here is my fellow.py file. So I am run the file. So just type Python hello.py and just hit enter. It will give me the output as hello world. Do practice to run your code into the command prompt. Here we can perform multiple operations on print function. If you want to print a single blank line, then I have used only print function. It will give me the single blank line. Then I am save and execute my code into the command prompt. Just type python hello.py and hit enter. Here we see it will give me the single blank line. So here we end this tutorial. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends, and do give it like and let me know in comment section. See you guys in next video.